Hi, this is MarcTutorials. Welcome to our newest playlist. Hey, check this cool preset. Today, we are going to check ReinaMarie's amazing preset called Color Pop. Let's check the before and after photos. This preset will enhance the colors on your photos and will make them pop. It is useful for many different subjects which contain colorful images. It will enhance the tones and vibrance to really make them stand out. To download this Color Pop preset, check video description box below and click ReinaMarie's Color Pop video and download link. Check her channel. She makes amazing presets too, and she also regularly uploads new presets. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.